Hi, Division 15. I'm glad to see all of you. So some of you might have seen a video I sent yesterday about being responsible. And I'm wondering if you got dressed this morning. I'm wondering if you helped put your dish into the kitchen after you finished eating breakfast. Doing all of those things, that's being responsible. You might have set a goal for yourself of something that you can do this week that helps out at home and shows that you're being responsible. Now, whether you're at school or at home, taking care of your things and cleaning up is always a good idea. And do you remember who comes to visit our classroom every once in a while to check up on the cleaning? Yeah, the cleanup fairy. Well, guess what? She's gonna come and have a look, but I'm a little worried because I left my things here from drying. I draw a lot, and I wonder what she's gonna say. Maybe I better tidy up a little bit before she arrives. Anyway, I'm gonna go see. I think I hear her knocking at the door right now. Oh my goodness. I think she might be here. Let's see. Hello. I came knocking at Miss Goby's door. She was home. And I'm so glad that I get to see all of you. It's the cleanup fairy here. Oh no. Miss Goby left a mess. Oh dear, she forgot to put her things away. I bet you've been helping out at home a lot and remembering to put your things away. That's wonderful. I'm so glad to hear that. Miss Goby, I think you have some things to put away over here. Coming. I'll be there in a moment. Oh, did you hear her? I think she's coming right back. So I am going to see you later. You can say goodbye to Miss Goby in a minute. Remember to clean up. Well, Division 15, wasn't that so much fun to have the cleanup fairy come to visit? What do you think, puppy? Did you enjoy it too? Yes, he did. Now, I'm so glad she came to remind me to put my things away, so I'm going to get right to that. Now, I hope that you remember your goals for this week of something that you wanted to do to help out at home or be responsible. And I'll talk to you again another time. Have a great day. Bye.